How to change a region in a Riot account. So the first step is to simply go to riotgames.com and then simply make sure that you are logged in into your account. So as you can see, if I hover my mouse, I can simply go to my settings. Now, if I scroll down, I can see here where it says personal information, my region. Now, in order to change this, what you're gonna have to do is simply open a new tab and then simply search change region in Riot account and then simply click on the first link. Now the next step is to simply scroll down and then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on the check button. As you can see, if you feel that your region of residence is listed incorrectly, we can help. Follow the flow below to check if your region of residence is accurate or able to update. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on check, and now we need to simply wait. Now, as you can see, unfortunately, they cannot accurately determine my region. So what I'm gonna have to do is simply submit a ticket so an agent can assist me. Now, what you're gonna have to do is simply scroll down and then simply click on submit a ticket. After that, what you're gonna have to do is simply choose here the reason, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply scroll, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply select account management, then simply wait, and now here what you're gonna have to do is simply enter the subject, so simply type in change region, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply select your inquiry. So I'm gonna go with the account management, and then again here, as you can see, you have different options, and here, as you can see here, need help changing region, so simply select that. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply enter a short description saying that you want to change your region, and then simply click on submit. And basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.